Hi friends, in this video I will be showing a lengthy Amazon Basics RCA cable which I purchased from Amazon to connect rear speakers. So this is the 25 feet RCA cable, Amazon Basics RCA cable. Using this cable I have connected these two rear speakers. See. Quality of this wire is good. So let me check these cables. So you can purchase this cable if the length of the cable which is coming with the soundbar is not enough. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.